In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI tool Jenni AI for research paper writing. Before we begin, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can check Jenni AI out via that link completely for free. So make sure to check that out and let's get started. So how to use this tool for research paper writing. As I said, it's called Jenni AI and it's truly amazing. So what you want to do over here, let's say you wanted to write a research paper. So of course you want to go to new over here and then you want to tap on document, and over here it's going to pop up a window which says what are you writing today. So let's say today we're going to be writing a research paper about basketball injuries in NBA in 2025. Okay, there we go. And then as you can see, it's gonna say how strong your essentially prompt is, and over here you can generate your outline. So if you want no outline, you can leave this. However, Jenni has great creative and standard headings. Okay, so if you want any of these, so either standard or creative, you can get these and you can just click on this and it will generate different heading suggestions. So I'm gonna go to creative headings right now. I'm gonna tap start writing, and then it's gonna just begin. Okay, so in a few seconds, there we go. As you can see, it already gave me a title, The Evolving Landscape of Basketball Injuries in the NBA, a 2025 Perspective. Of course, it's a decent title. It could be much better. You can, of course, kind of change this whenever you want to. You then also have some different outlines, so you have introduction, trends in basketball injuries, factors, etc. Okay, and looking at this really quickly, it doesn't look that bad, it looks pretty decent. And whenever you want to write using AI, if you click over here for introduction, for example, as you can see, it already gives you an AI suggestion of what you could start writing with. Now, if you like this, because I like this sentence over here, which says basketball has long been one of the most popular and captivating sports worldwide, you just want to press accept, and as you can see, that text has been accepted. And if you then wait some more, it's gonna start generating some more text. If you don't like what you're seeing, you can start just writing yourself, and it's gonna help you if you get stuck. So let's say from here, I wanna type in, even though it's so popular, which doesn't make sense, injuries have been, there we go, and then let's say you get stuck, you don't know what to type in anymore. It says a persistent challenge for professional basketball players, which is great. You want to press accept and so on and so forth. And just like this, you can get a lot of things done and you will essentially never get stuck. Sometimes they can even cite, as you can see over here, it's gonna cite your different articles where it pulled this information from, which is amazing. If you don't like the suggestion, you can press try again and it's gonna try again and generate something better for you. Again, if you like it, press accept and that's it. And just like this, you can get to your research writing. But that's only the simplest part and the most basic part of Jenni AI. What really makes this tool amazing is this over here, where you have your own library into which you can essentially add your own research documents and your sources you can then later cite. Now, as you can see over here, I just put in a random source which isn't relevant to this topic at all. I just put it in here so you'll be able how to do it. You have to press this plus button over here. You can then upload a PDF, import .bib, or paste your DOI, and via that you can import to your library and later cite. When you want to cite something, click inside the text, press cite over here, and as you can see, it will start citing. Now, for me, of course, this isn't very correct because I haven't optimized this, and I just made it for this example. However, in your case, of course, you're gonna upload legitimate PDFs, and via that, you're gonna get access to legitimate citations the way they are correct. So that's amazing, but what's even better inside here is this AI chat over here, which is a complete game changer. Now, if I show you this by starting a new chat, you can just essentially tell it, I'm writing a research paper on this topic, and then you want to just type in, for example, your essentially your title. I'm going to type that in. Let's say I got stuck. Give me some ideas to go off of. Also list me some relevant sources. And then when you type this, you want to just press send. And as you can see in a few seconds, Jenni is going to start thinking. And after a few seconds, as you can see, it's going to start rolling out different things. So it said specific injury trends, and then it's going to give you some different sources over here, as you can see, and it's going to give you an idea of what you could essentially write about if you want to do it. And then you've got some relevant sources from recent years over here, as you can see there, 2019, 2021, 2021, and then you've got some later over here as well, because of course it's going to give you some relevant sources from the past as well, in case they are still relevant at this current moment. And you can then see this and ask it whatever question you want to, and you can just copy this or edit the document instantly, okay? So if you want to edit the document, click over here. It's going to get added straight where you were positioned with your mouse cursor. And that's actually the beauty of it, because it can help you write. You can essentially never get stuck and never run out of ideas. So this is basically how to use Jenni AI for research paper writing. I hope this video helped you out, and again, if you would like to try Jenni AI for yourself completely for free, there is a link down below in the description and in the pinned comment, so make sure to check that out. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.